fish. There we go. There we go. Got a little one. Took one on the papa after a long pause. Hey, what's up everybody? Joe Simpson here. It's 9 o'clock on Mother's Day. I gotta be a little quiet. Everybody's asleep still, but I just wanted to check in and say, hey, went out and did a little fishing today, caught a few fish. Haven't been online in a while, so it's been a bruiser of a week. Hopefully we're back on track. Fish have been hitting a little more topwater lately, so I'm pretty excited about that. And just want to eat my breakfast, chill out, edit a little bit of video, and show you some catches that I caught today. You guys have a good one. Happy Mother's Day. See ya. Let's try down here. Wow, that was weird. That was very strange. I swear I thought I had like a turtle hitting me or something. That's a fat boy. Look at that thing, man. Holy moly. Gotta put that back in the water. Go make babies. Do we have any shallow ones over here? Little one there. They're not really hitting them, they're just kind of sucking them. Not really doing a whole lot. Got something to show at least. Gotta love a decent popper bite. There we go. Nothing to write home about, but
do you have a... Oh, you don't have a... There he is. You look like you were getting ready to pick up.
I was getting ready to leave. I almost flipped it out of the water. My giant, big giant.
This pond is full, you know, this pond is full of those. So there has to be a good fish somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Giant, Pat. I gotta tell you, this combo, rod and reel, I really like it. It's the Dick's. Sold at Dick's. It's Field and Stream. It's called the Inferno, and it's actually a little rig. It's a setup. It's a 1000 series reel, or the 10 they call it, the SIS 10 Inferno with the rod. And the rod is 6 feet, and its action is medium light, so it's just a little bit better than the ultralight, so it has a little bit more backbone. So what I do is I put like 10-pound braid on this, which feels like hair, and it's plenty of back end. The 10-pound braid's plenty of support for most size fish. And the hell? Did you guys see that? That was kind of shocking. That would be Mr. Beaver. Oh, he got him a fish? Did you get him a fish? Anyway, I'm yammering. Inferno kit. Dick's. It's pretty good. It's a 2-piecer too, so if you need something to throw under your seat, you know, a little travel rod. It's a good one for that. Who doesn't love fishing, really? Let's be honest. It's actually a perfect topwater day. It's overcast, breezy. Sun's up, it's cool. What I like about this rod, if you're a short fisherman, you can see I'm like literally pointing it straight at the ground and just barely twitching that rod to get that popper to do just what I want it to do. Now I'm not really walking this popper, it's more of a pop and spit type of motion, which is what I usually use these pop martinis for. I mean, they'll walk a little bit, but they'll dart every now and then. Pat just promised me that I'm going to catch a fish every cast. That's what he said.
I told you that you'll be fishing over fish.
Little guy, a little bit bigger than the other ones. Yeah. Not a real big commitment there. Lovely weather. A little better one, I think. I think I lost him. No, I got him. Fish salad. Yeah. Got heavy. I thought, oh, it's a big one. It's just a bunch of grass. And, you know, it's fun. They're warm. Go right out in the middle. Let's clean it off first. Yeah, we're right next to the airport, in case you're wondering. Little dinks. Oh. That one's not tiny. That one's not tiny. 1 3/4. That's the best fish I've caught. Best fish I've caught in a while. It's a good looking bass. Decent one. Okay, I like that cast right there. Pat. Perfect. I don't know why I said Pat. We always yell at each other, Pat, look. It's like, yeah, you caught a fish. Great, it's tiny. Long pause. And then sometimes I don't pop it after a long pause. That kills them, man. Those long pauses just kill them. Sardines! Little biddles. I don't even know how many fish we're catching now. It's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does it matter? There we go. Got one on the rat. Ratfish. Ratfish. What, are you kidding? What are you thinking you're gonna do with that? I guess he thinks he's gonna eat it. All right, guys. This rain is coming down pretty good, but we're catching fish, so something tells me we're gonna stick around. Oh, I didn't even know I had them. They just sucked it down. These are some little tykes, man. There we go, that's a better cast. I don't even think I'll see a hit. It's raining so hard. That's okay fish. Little better, I think. Yeah, that's a good fish. There we go. Bird's like coming after me, man. All right, so that's my second largest of the day. He's about a pound. I'll do one more down through there. That's like 2 casts, 2 fish, right? So you do that a third time. 3 casts, 3 fish. I'm skiing that bad boy. He swiped it and got caught. Yep. Took it right in the cranker and the body. Little. Do that? You ever split your mono, or you ever split your braid with a hook? Like literally go through the middle of it? That sucks. I feel like I get hit right here. For sure. Oh, I think I just broke off, guys. Yeah, on a little one. That sucks. It's my favorite popper. What happened there? Bad knot? I don't know.